Welcome to the video presentation of SOAS language exchange application developed by Federico Vignati, Wojciech Gołaszewski, and Adris Khan. The application, with exclusive access for SOAS students and staff, allows users to choose up to 3 languages they can speak proficiently and 3 languages they would like to practice speaking. In this manner, SOAS students are matched based on their language choices and are given an opportunity to practice speaking languages they desire. The application, available both for iOS and Android devices, uses Google Firebase as online database to store user data and languages available to choose. The application is developed with Ionic framework using HTML, CSS, TypeScript, Angular 2 and JavaScript, and Google Firebase.
Now we are going to present the key functionalities of our application. Once we have logged in with our email and password, we can now choose in the main screen the language we would like to chat in with others, meaning the language we would like to practice. Let me choose Japanese by clicking on the top right corner on the screen. A list is displayed. I will swipe it down to choose Japanese. And now a list of users who speak Japanese is displayed. As you can notice, on the right of the first user's username, there is a star displayed. This means that this user also wants to learn the language I can speak. If we see this user's profile, add his profile, right here, we can see she would like to learn Italian, which I can speak. So this is a double match. If I speak the language she would like to learn, and if she would like to learn the language I speak. Okay, now let me choose another language. For example, Polish. No? I will go down to P. Here it is. Okay, I confirm. And I have another user with whom I would like to now demonstrate a chat. So I click here on the right side of the screen, and I will chat with this user. Okay, let's say hi. Now let's wait for the reply with another user having a phone in their hand and replying to my message. Oh, the user has replied. Now let's try something else. How are you? As you can see, the chat works very fine, and thanks to Firebase, the messages are received and sent instantaneously, which proves the application is in this matter very efficient. Now, to access the chat, instead of accessing it from the chat list and choosing by languages, we can see the chats list, where you can see all the users with whom we have chatted previously. If I go back to the user I have just chatted with, I can see the chat history I have chatted him with. Okay, now let's see how to set up some profile credentials. For example, biography. Okay, I click update biography, and the biography is updated. The same way I can here click to choose my profile picture. Okay. So now, as I have demonstrated all the key functionalities, I will log out. Thank you.
Owing to Firebase and Ionic integration, the application's performance is comparable to those of native applications. Users can browse the matching list with a language filtering, where double matches are highlighted by a star, efficiently communicate with others via a quick chat system with multimedia sending, and edit their profiles by setting up profile pictures and short bios.